The Nuwave Bravo XL air fryer oven stands out as a versatile countertop workhorse that can air fry, bake, roast, toast, and even dehydrate in one stainless steel unit, making it ideal for replacing several separate appliances. Its wide temperature range from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, adjusted in small, precise steps, gives you fine control whether you are gently drying foods or searing steaks. The oven uses a smart heating system that continuously monitors and adjusts temperature so food cooks evenly without the hot and cold spots that cheaper toaster ovens often struggle with. Independent upper and lower heating zones, combined with a strong convection fan, let you dial in crisp bottoms and nicely browned tops, which is especially helpful for pizza, casseroles, and baked goods. The built-in probe thermometer and carryover cooking feature take much of the guesswork out of meats by automatically stopping the cook at your chosen doneness and preventing overcooking as the food rests. With its generous interior, multiple rack positions, sturdy racks that can handle heavy dishes, and a reversible grill and griddle plate for indoor searing, it comfortably handles family-size meals while still fitting on a kitchen counter.